One of our biggest challenges as sharpeners is bending cast-handled shears. The new Anvil InstAlign unit makes this job simple. It's designed to safely bend handles without using a torch. It comes with a digital display that will help guide you through the heating process as you do the bend. To start the bend, activate the machine. Once the amperage maxes out and begins to drop, you can start the bend. Simply bend the handle until you feel resistance. Once you feel resistance, if you need to bend more, activate the machine and continue your bend. As you can see by this picture, we can now easily bend cast-handled shears.